How do you eject water from your Apple Watch? Hi guys, welcome back to AI Plus More. Today I'll be showing you how to eject water from your Apple Watch. This is great if you're going swimming or you're in the swimming pool or anything like that and you just want to get the excess water out of your watch. So for reference, I am using the Apple Watch Series 9. So first thing is we're going to click on this little side button right over here. Click onto that. And what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down until we see this water droplet button right there. We're going to click onto that. And what we're going to do is hold onto this little circular crown here. Perfect. And I'm going to show you guys one more time. We're going to click on this button right over here. We're going to scroll down until we see the water droplet button. And we're going to hold on to the circular button until it's completed. Perfect, and we are all done. I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial today. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys!